Hey everyone, I work with schools using Google Workspace for education every day, and I love sharing tricks that makes teaching and learning easier. So today I'm talking about NotebookLM, a new Gemini AI tools that feels like magic for handling all those notes, articles, and PDF that we juggle. It's just that it's got its own website now. So let's picture this. You are a teacher planning a lesson, you've got your notes, PDF from a workshop and a web page that you saved. It's a lot. So Notebook LM steps in like a friendly helper. You give it your document. It does two things I want to talk about in this video: mind map and audio overview. Pick your lesson plan, an article, student readings, and just click mind map. Notebook LM creates a colorful map showing how ideas connect. For teachers, it helps you to spot patterns you miss, maybe that history lesson that links to a science topic you hadn't noticed. And for students who are stuck on big projects, the map shows how everything fits, like a cheat code for your brain. It's gonna blow your mind. Now let's go to audio overview. Audio overview reads you a summary of your document by two human individuals in a podcast form.
Summaries ask questions based only on what you uploaded.
Ah, I see. Grounded in your own stuff.
Exactly. NotebookLM is free for individuals. NotebookLM Plus is the paid version with more features, more capacity.
Okay, so different tools for different needs. Let's circle back to that free Gemini app. What makes it useful, like day to day?
Well, at its core, it's about conversation. You chat with it, ask it to write things, brainstorm, explain concepts, make plans.
Like having a brainstorming partner.
Kind of, yeah. Or a research assistant or a writing helper. It's pretty versatile, powered by Google's AI models.
And getting started is just go to the website.
Super simple. Gemini.google.com, sign in with your Google account, and there's a box. Type your prompt or question. That's it.
And big draw, it's free.
Absolutely. Included with all the Google Workspace for education editions. So schools don't need to pay extra for this baseline access.
Now, privacy, always a huge thing in schools. What did the webinar say about using a school account?
Really important point.
I ever wish you could just hear the key points. Yes, and that is what audio overview does. It reads you a summary of your documents by two individuals in a podcast form. Perfect for teachers rushing between classes or even students reviewing notes while walking to school. It caters to different learning styles and make understanding and recalling information so much easier. Personally, here is why I'm excited, because it is your stuff made simpler. No more drowning in 10 tabs or forgetting where you saved that one article. Notebook LM takes what you already have and turns it into something clear and useful. So here are the key takeaway now. For teachers, if you need a quick refresher on last week's topics before class, generate an audio overview while you set up your class. It's also a great way to create accessible review material for students with diverse learning needs. And for students, listen to summaries of your research papers while walking to schools, doing chores, or just resting your eyes. It's fantastic for auditory learners or fitting revision into busy schedules. It helps reinforce key information in a different way. So I've discovered that using these two features together is incredibly powerful. Get the visual structure with the mind map, then listen to the core ideas with the audio overview. So in our subsequent video, I'll be sharing tips and tricks in Gemini AI. I'm Babatokwe from Rwanda. Thank you for watching.